Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about why you should cut before bulking. So what I'm going to go through is who should cut first and also the two questions that you can ask yourself to basically figure out which way you should go. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kieran and I make videos on helping you to lean down and get visible abs whilst also documenting my own physique transformation journey. So this was a position I was in 2023. I was skinny fat. I didn't have visible abs, but I didn't have too much muscle either. And I came to a crossroads where I was like, okay, what should I do next? Do I try and bulk and build muscle first? Or do I cut and get lean and then start to build muscle from there? And I'll talk about in this video the answer that I found, and I was able to use this information to basically shred down in a matter of 10 weeks and put myself in a good position to then start to lean bulk. When I was doing my research to try and figure out what to do, I came across the article by Mike Matthews, author of Bigger, Leaner, Stronger, and it was a simple flow chart that basically answered everything for me. And it said, if you're under 10% body fat, you should bulk. If you're over 15% body fat, you should cut. And if you're in between, then you can just choose. And at the time, I was around about 21% body fat. So that made the decision easy. I was going to go on a cut. So on to the two questions. So the first one is, do you have visible abs? And if the answer is yes, then I recommend going on a bulk. And if the answer is no, then I recommend cutting down first and then going on a bulk after that. Are you happy with your current body fat percentage? When you look in the mirror, you kind of happy with what you see in terms of like leanness and definition? If the answer is yes, you're happy, then you can go on a bulk. And if not, then I'd go on a cut first. Just a short one today. If you want some one-to-one coaching to help you with this body transformation and to lean down, then there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.